Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Ethics class students. Friends, for the past 2 days, I have been giving the introductory part of legal ethics as professional ethics. We all know that legal profession is one of the noblest professions in India. You have taken up or you have chosen that particular profession. So, you have to definitely maintain the ethics of the profession. And one word I told you, morals are to the society, whereas ethics are to the profession. Then what are morals and what are ethics? Please remember, morals are the lessons. Morals are the lessons that can be drawn or that can be derived from a story or experience. That's why I've been telling you that in our olden days, our grandmothers, grandfathers, they used to tell us the moral stories. They used to tell us some stories before going to bed. Recently, I think on Monday, day before yesterday, in a program in Paduta Tiga of Inadu ETV, we have seen such moral stories are being told by grandfathers. That boy, Ujjwal or somebody, he stated that before going to bed, his grandpa used to tell him some moral stories. Definitely. What is the purpose of morals? So, morality or character, it is a set of standards. Please remember, morality is a set of standards that are derived from a code of conduct, maybe from religion, maybe but from particular philosophy, or maybe from culture. This is morality. And what are ethics? Ethics are the moral principles that govern a person's behavior on a particular profession. When you take up a particular profession, you have to respect the principles of the profession. They are called as ethics. Simply to say, legal ethics means the body of rules and practice, which determine the professional conduct of the members of the bar. So you have to be ethical. Ethics will play a major part in your profession. After studying almost all the law, acts and other things you have completed, now in the last part only we are telling you the so-called ethics. So legal profession, it plays an important role in the administration of justice. Lawyer, you all know that lawyer is officer of the court. He has also to take part in the administration of justice because he will tell his part of the story or his argument. The PP will tell his argument. Basing on the two arguments, the court will arrive to a certain conclusion or the correct fact. It is arriving at a correct figure. So therefore, you have to follow definitely the so-called legal ethics or professional ethics. In the next video, or I think already I have completed in my videos, maybe there, we are going to discuss the evolution of or development of the legal profession, right? So before that, as far as this legal ethics introduction class is concerned, I already told you that you have to remember that the profession or legal profession is one of the noblest professions. Second, the lawyer, the advocate is an officer of the court because he will take part in the administration of justice. He is an officer of the court and he will assist the court in so many matters, not only in his case but also in other issues also. And thirdly, advocate is a social engineer. The advocacy, art of advocacy you are doing, please remember, it is not for personal gain. It is not a business. It is, the profession of advocate is for the public good. Please remember, it is for the public good. No doubt, definitely, you must have the business mind or you must gain personally. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to thrive or strive in this fast running society unless you have money. Unless you have a vehicle, it's very difficult for you to go to different courts, is it not? But at the same time, you have to remember that you are doing for public good. In this connection, the ethics played by Mahatma Gandhi, let us remember. You all know that in the year 1880 or so, 88 or so, I think, he went to England to study law and become a barrister. There, he spent 9 months of hard work. He studied hard and he wrote the examinations one single sitting and he passed. Then he went to the bar and got himself registered as a barrister. But of course, because his father was not well, he came back to India. And the first case he has taken up, it is a petty case of a particular some vegetable seller where he was not successful. But he has returned the fee to her. Later, he went to that Muslims company in South Africa, where he became an excellent advocate, came back to India and led the freedom movement. Mahatma is not easy to get the so-called coveted Mahatma wording. Still we call him as Mahatma. Why? Ethics. Ethics play an important role. So, as advocates, you have to remember that you have to observe the professional ethics. So, with this brief introduction, I am stopping here. We'll discuss something. Thank you.